of the very standard inputs to code. Coded by 2. I plus 2, JK, L, MN, O, PQ, V, WX, E, FG, like that. Smiles on the faces who are using mobiles. The pass coded SMS then. Safely, don't pass the code number, right? If the code number is not there, then who can read this here? Right now it is 2, but it can be anything. Okay, our job is to simply write a program. How? It just goes on the same lines as what we have written previously. I will have to simply increment that distance by 2. Only thing is, look at this. Y has become Z and again become A. That is the care that we will have to take. Otherwise, after Z, whatever is the character, that will come into picture. And then it will be problematic. We don't want that. We want to put it in a circular manner. So after Y plus 1 is Z, Z plus 1 is A plus 1 is B, like that. Same with the uppercase, separately. So they are as if put in a circular form. Formula just remains the same. You will have to say you will check if it is uppercase, then uppercase ka coding alag se. In that case, you will have to take the distance from capital A, add the code number to it, and then take that character. You will have to go it in that way only. Because if you directly try to add the code number, then you are going to go out of that range. So first find the distance, add the code number, so let the distance get incremented. If that distance becomes greater than 26, then take the remainder. Kyunki Y is 24. 24 plus 2 becomes 26. And 26% 26 becomes 0, so we are at character A, like that. If it is Z plus 2, then 25 plus 2 becomes 27. Percent 26 will become 1. And character A plus 1 will become character B. So Z plus 2 will become B. And that's why distance is required. Distance plus the code number, whatever value you get, take the remainder by 26 and add that remainder to the character. Okay. So here, if P of I is greater than or equal to capital A and P of I is less than or equal to capital Z, then you will have to say P of I is equal to P of I minus capital A. So I am taking the distance from capital A plus the code number, say COD, whatever is the code number. In this case, I am doing it with COD equal to 2 plus the code number. So this gives me the distance. I am adding the code number. Whatever value I get, I should take the remainder by 26 and then pick up that character from position A. Find the distance, add the code number, take the remainder, you will get the distance, add that distance to capital A because it was uppercase. So I will maintain the case also. Uppercase character will remain uppercase, lowercase will become lowercase only. What happened? Kya hua? It was uppercase. P of I minus capital A will give you the offset. B minus A will be 1. C minus A will be 2 plus the code number. So if the character is say B, then what will be B? Okay, character is say D, then what will be D minus A? 3 plus our offset. So 3 plus 2 will become 5. 5% 5% 26 will be 5. And A plus 5, so B, C, D, E, F. And so F will be stored in P of I. See, for Z, Z minus A, distance is 25. 25 plus 2 becomes 27. ये 25 होगा, plus code number 2 will be 27. 27% 26. Only the remainder 1. 1 plus A will become B. बराबर है. So what was code Z का coding? Z के बाद A, B. If P of I is greater than or equal to small a and P of I less than or equal to small z, then P of I equal to, into bracket, P of I minus small a plus code %26 plus small a, and then I equal to I plus 1. इसके बाद printf %s backslash p will print the coded message. And of course, we require exactly reverse the program to this to decode. So if you really receive some coded message, then you can keep on giving different numbers 1, 2, 3 and try to decode it. The one which is readable, you will get the code number also. How will you go for decoding? Take that character, uppercase or lowercase, subtract A, so you will get the distance. From that distance you should subtract code. Instead of adding code, subtract the code. Okay? Only care that you will have to take is it should not become negative. क्योंकि capital A minus 5, so of course capital A minus capital A, अगर character capital है A है तो you are as it is performing this subtraction, that will give me 0. If code number is 5, then it will be 0 minus 5 will become minus 5. Minus 5% 26 will give me trouble. Okay, and to get rid of this minus sign, I will go for addition of 26 to it and then take the remainder. Okay, and that because sometimes it might be positive also, so हमेशा सिर्फ 26 ऐड करके नहीं होने वाला, रिमाइंडर तो लेना ही होगा, but you will have to subtract add 26 and then take remainder. So you will first of all, क्योंकि under any circumstances it will not be less than minus 26. Okay, of course your code number should not be in thousands, वो पागलपन है. Having the code number in something like 1000 simply means that the actual code number is 1000 by 26%. 26. Okay, it is like adding angle 2 pi to theta or 4 pi or 100 pi. Sine of 100 pi plus theta will be sine theta only. It's like that only. Okay, it's one period 26. So you will have to skip all of them, and what remains? So normally the code number should be within 26 only. And so you will have to simply modify one statement and the same code will work. it will be p of I equal to p of I minus character A minus code number plus 26% 26 plus character capital A. This will give you the decoding. But remember, in both the cases code number is same, मतलब 2 and decoded by 2 only. Decoded by -2 तो it will again get coded further. -2 से डिकोड किया तो गड़बड़ हो जाएगी, या फिर -2 से कोड किया तो भी गड़बड़ हो जाएगी. So we are assuming that the code number is positive, so we can code it, we can decode it. We are still maintaining the status of the words. If by chance I include space into it, then the things will become more tedious, because then on space you cannot terminate. Like space becomes my 27th character, and so it will be a plus 1 b, b plus 1 c, like that. Z plus 1 will be space and space plus 1 will be a. And if I just code it by 1 also, then जहाँ भी a's होंगे वहाँ जहाँ भी z होगा वहाँ space आ जाएगी, जहाँ space होगी वहाँ a आ जाएगा, and even words you cannot see separately, and to decode that will be a more trouble. ठीक है, stop here. So today we dealt with strings and so many things related to strings, but a single string. We have never come across the second string to be compared with the first or concatenated or anything like that. Okay, and in all these cases you will have to accept one string p and then run the code. Whatever input that you can give, if you are through getS, जहाँ भी स्पेस का जिक्र है, all those programs should be run through getS. वो अगर scanf से रन किए तो नंबर ऑफ वर्ड्स वगैरह कुछ चेक ही नहीं कर पाओगे आप, क्योंकि स्पेस इनपुट आएगा ही नहीं उसमें. ओके, सो जनरली फॉर स्ट्रिंग्स यूज getS, not scanf.